Welcome to today's discussion on the history and health benefits of carrots. Carrots have been a staple in diets for thousands of years and continue to be enjoyed worldwide for their delicious taste and numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the history of carrots, the evolution of the orange carrot, and the many health benefits that come with adding carrots to your diet. The history of carrots is a fascinating one that dates back to ancient times. Originating in Central Asia, carrots were initially used for medicinal purposes due to their numerous health benefits. It wasn't until much later that they were cultivated for food. The earliest records of carrots date back to ancient texts from Persia, where they were used to treat digestive problems and as an aphrodisiac. From there, the carrot spread to the Mediterranean and Europe, where it was grown as a vegetable. The first carrots were not orange, they were actually purple, yellow, and white. The orange carrot we know today was developed in the 17th century in the Netherlands, where it was cultivated for its sweet taste and bright color. This new variety became popular and quickly spread throughout Europe and eventually to the rest of the world. Carrots are packed with nutrients that provide many health benefits. Let's explore some of the key benefits. Good for eye health. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that is essential for good vision. Eating carrots can help prevent night blindness and age-related macular degeneration, a common cause of blindness in older adults. May help reduce cancer risk. Carrots contain antioxidants that may help protect against certain types of cancer, including lung, breast, and colon cancer. The antioxidants in carrots can help prevent damage to DNA and cell membranes, which can lead to cancer. Improves digestive health. Carrots are high in fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Fiber also helps feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which can improve digestive health and boost your immune system. Boosts immune system. Carrots are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Eating carrots can help boost your body's defenses against infections and diseases. May help lower blood pressure. Carrots contain potassium, a mineral that can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Potassium can help counteract the negative effects of sodium in your diet, which can lead to high blood pressure. Carrots have a rich history and are enjoyed worldwide for their sweet taste and many health benefits. Whether eaten raw or cooked, carrots are a nutritious addition to any diet. Incorporating carrots into your meals can help improve your vision, boost your immune system, promote digestive health, and lower your risk of certain types of cancer and heart disease. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bag of carrots and start reaping the many benefits they have to offer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.